Proper noun. A proper noun is a type of noun that refers to a specific unique entity, such as a person, place, organization, event, or title. For example, pupil, John Smith, Albert Einstein, Malala Yousafzai. Places, New York City, London, Mount Everest. Organization, Google, United Nations, Harvard University. Here's simple worksheet on proper noun. Find the proper noun. Read the sentence and circle the proper noun. Number 1. I live in New York City with my family. New York City is the proper noun. Number 2. My favorite holiday is Christmas. Christmas is the proper noun. Number 3. My mom works at Google. Google is a proper noun. Number 4. We are going to visit the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is a proper noun. Number 5. My friend's name is Emma. Emma is a proper noun.